In this video, I will show you how to download VS Code on Windows 11. To download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11, at first you need to get the official installer from Visual Studio download page. So for this, you will open a browser, then search for VS Code, then press enter. Here you can see this is http://code.visualstudio.com. We'll go to this official website, and now you can see, so this is the open source AI code editor, and VS Code is for multi-agent development. To download it, you can simply click this download for Windows. We need to choose a directory where we would like to save the VS Code IDE. Let me choose this download folder and save it. So you can see it's going to install and it takes few seconds to complete. We'll have to wait until it's completed. When it's done, now we need to run the wizard. So that's why here we'll go to this download folder and you can see the IDE is here. We need to double click to start the installation process. Let me double click here and let me close all of this unnecessary stuff so that you can just see it properly. Here you need to accept the agreement. Click this I accept the agreement, then click next. Then we'll click next, and here make sure you will add it to the path. So this is must be check mark. If it's unchecked, you must have to check it. Okay, then click next and install. So you can see right now it's installing and takes few seconds to complete. When it's done, let me uncheck it for now and let me click finish. Okay, so VS Code is downloaded successfully. How to use it actually? So to use it, here you can see this is search bar. You can search for VS Code and you can see the app is right now available on our PC. Here if I just click VS Code, you can see the interface is open here. So it will look something like this. We'll close all the tab and right now you can just open a folder to start coding. Let me go to my project directory. Here we'll create a new project. For example, let me create a new folder and the folder name will be test coding. I will drag it and drop it on Visual Studio Code. Right now you can see the folder is opened here. We'll close all this tab and here you can start building your projects or start writing code. So now you can just create a new file from here, for example index.html file, and here you can start writing your HTML code. You'll see it's working perfectly. We'll say h on and say hello. Okay, now if you go to your project directory and just double click here, you can see hello is here. By following this way, you can install Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 PC and you can also use it.